Hello, my name is Andy Yang, and I am the Manager of Asset Management at San Jose Water. We are 2019 Uptime Award winners in the category of Best Reliability Engineering for Maintenance. We care about how we impact the triple bottom line. And that triple bottom line is the social, financial, and environmental impacts. And we do this so that we can really try to accurately assess how much we are impacting customers, people, how many people might be impacted by flooding. Are we taking homes out of water service, or maybe even schools or hospitals? Imagine a school, or especially a hospital, being out of water service for a few hours or for a few days. That would be a really serious impact. And so we know that we need to take that into account. We're going to use this award, this win, as motivation and also as an encouraging reminder that the hard work that we've done was worth it, and to motivate us to continue to put that hard work in, because all of the work that we do in the end positively impacts those that we're trying to serve. The Asset Management Committee and the Capital Planning and Asset Management Group really deserves a lot of recognition for all that they've done. It's really the vision, the talent, the hard work, and enthusiasm that they bring to the table every day is really second to none.